Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us right now. And you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under the Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 36% retail traders are on the sell side. They have taken short position and 63% retail traders have taken long position. They are on the buy side. Keep in mind this sentiment meter shows the buy and sell position of the retail traders only, not the institutions like the COT data. Okay. And they have taken buy position at 1.3443 and they have taken short position at 1.3191. This is the average price where they have taken the short position, and right now market is trading at 1.3267. This is the chart of GBP USD. Before jumping into the chart of GBP USD, let's talk about the chart of DXY US dollar, because if you want to trade on GBP USD, you must know what is going on in the chart of US dollar DXY. So if you just focus on the present trend of DXY US dollar, then we can see that right now market is sideways. Okay, there is no doubt that the present trend of the market is sideways. It means that number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. We have a trend line at the top acting as resistance. You can see whenever market was going up, it was getting or facing selling pressure from above. So this trend line is a valid resistance till now. And on the downside, we have this support zone 95.80 to 95.50 acting as the support for the market. So in case DXY witnesses some selling pressure in the coming week, there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing from this particular level, because overall this level is acting as a very strong support for the market for quite some time. Okay. And this trend line is acting as a resistance. And if I zoom out the chart, then we can see overall DXY is very bullish. Right now there is consolidation, but in a market condition like this, in a market structure like this, there is a good possibility of market going up again after the consolidation. And apart from this support level, we also have the additional support from the Fibonacci as 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so in case DXY comes to this particular level, then do not think that there is a heavy selling going on and market will be going down. Be careful. Unless market or the US dollar crosses 95.50, do not consider that there is a trend reversal or downtrend in DXY. And this is important because when DXY goes up, we usually see GBP USD going down, and when DXY going down, we usually see GBP USD going up. So the chart of DXY is important. And this is the chart of GBP USD here, and straight cut, this is a downtrend market. There should not be any doubt about it. You can see market is in heavy downtrend with this trend line, which was acting as a strong resistance for the market. This trend line was acting as a strong resistance for quite some time because market was seriously facing trouble to cross this trend line. But on Friday, market somehow broke the trend line, and right now standing at 1.3267. This is the current market price. So therefore the condition is quite critical here. Why? Because previously when market was in downtrend, okay, listen to me carefully. Previously when market was in downtrend, it was very much clear to us that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. So when the market will hit the trend line, if it reverses, we could easily take a sell position. But right now market broke the resistance. Okay, and therefore we still do not have the clear answer whether market will be coming down again or not. Okay, whether this trend line is valid or not. And right now, looking at the present market condition, there's a good chance that this trend line is no longer valid because market has broke the trend line. So if the trend line is no longer valid, then where should we buy and sell? Right now we can see that we do not have any clarity in the chart of GBP USD. Previously it was a complete seller's market, sell at the resistance. This was a typical strategy for us, but right now we do not have any clear cut idea about the chart of GBP USD. The only trading opportunity that we see on the chart of GBP USD is if we go to the weekly chart or daily chart, or no, you will see GBP USD taking support at this line. Okay, this level 1.3200 previously acted as a strong support for the market, and this is the level that is providing support right now. And from this particular level only GBP USD has bounced. So therefore if you have already taken a buy position, then please continue with the trade. Do not exit unless you see GBP USD crossing this level, because this level will be acting as a support for the market. Okay, if you have a buy position, go with the trade. Do not close the trade right now. And if you're still looking for a fresh entry, then I'll say that for day trading purpose right now we do not have any clear picture. If you want to go for scalping and all, that's a complete different chapter. Okay, if you want to target 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, that's a complete different chapter. I will not comment on it. But if you're looking for a solid day trading position, then this is not the ideal chart right now. But if you are looking for a positional trade, if you are looking for a trade that will last for 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, then you can take a buy position with your stop loss below this level. Okay, because there is a good possibility of market going from here because of the support from the higher time frame. That's it. And your stop loss will be below 1.3, your stop loss will be at 1.3150. This can be your stop loss, and with this stop loss you can take a buy position for positional traders only. And if you're wondering what is a positional trade means a trade that will last for more than 4, 5 days, 6 days. Okay, if you have that kind of patience, then you can take this position. Otherwise, for day trading purpose, I do not see any proper prominent level on the chart of GBP USD. And I'll suggest you that there are multiple pairs in the market. You should not be risking your hard-earned money here. There are multiple pairs. Why you should be risking on a chart that you hardly understand? See, this is the 15 minutes chart in front of us. Do we see any proper level here to buy and sell? No. In case market comes down to the level of 1.3200 and bounces, then you can think about taking a buy position. But right now in the present level, we do not have any prominent level here. Clear? So better look for a different pair or just observe GBP USD for quite some time. If you want to take a positional trade, yes, you can go for it with your stop loss below 1.3150. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you've understood. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. Plus I also share 1 or 2 live signals each and every day. Apart from signals and trading opportunities, we do many things. If you're interested, please visit my website vilashazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section you'll find all the information. Okay, bye bye, take care, and see ya on Monday again.